Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's video, we will be adding boning on our side seam for the snowflake pattern. So on today's snowflake bikini, I have something different to show you, which is on the side seam between my frame and my back piece. I sewed boning. And my boning is it's too big for my wire channeling, for my regular wire channeling. And the channeling I have for my boning is too wide and it's black. So I think I found a solution. I will let you know in the end if this worked out or not. What I did was I cut a small piece of my boning. It's plastic boning and you can sew the plastic directly on your bikini, and I did this here, so I left 2 centimeters on the lower part and on the upper part, and I sewed it with a zigzag. And once that boning is sewn in place on the side that is going to be against my body, I then sewed the channeling on top, a little bit more going up and a little bit more coming down here so that it doesn't poke on my body. Let's see if this works for comfort. I hope it does. I'm still going to do it on this side so you can see the zigzag here and the boning on this one, on this side. And now I'm just going to, just like I did here, I'm just going to apply my channeling on top, on the sides where I'm going to be wearing my bikini.